And Jesus, I'm really impressed with the quality of them. Look, hello folks, welcome back in another video. It's me, Maximilian, and in today's video we'll be unboxing this package. Let's take a look at it. So these are the shoes. Let's unbox them. Let's take a look at them. And just like this, here we got the shoes. Let's take a look at them. And here they are in a perfect looking box, as you can see. These are the Jordan 4's Retro, size 8.5 US, so it's like 26.5 centimeters, which is 42 European. You also have the sticker of $210 US as the suggested retail price. And yeah, let's take a look at it. So just like this, appshoe.ru, you have the coupon code regular, the 15 bucks off. You also do have the WhatsApp phone number to contact the seller. Highly recommended checking them out. And here, as you can see, we've got our shoes. And Jesus, I'm really impressed with the quality of them. Look at the leather here on the toe and everything. Looks so nice. It's really one-to-one with the original ones. I'm so glad that I just chose this model because it's so beautiful. Let's take a look at the other pair. And this is the second pair of our Jordan 4s in the white cement color. We will just take a look at them again just in a moment. That's all as for the box. Okay, so our Jordan 4s in a white cement color. This is how they look like on the inside. As you can see, we have the beautiful leather going across the whole shoes. And here, as you can see, you've got this mesh, which is basically one-to-one as on the original ones. I'm so happy on how it looks like. We also do have this navy blue colored strips here, and our shoelaces in a white color also, so they look really good. This is how the toe looks like. Let me just take out the straightener. Top of the shoe, yeah, it just bounces back immediately, so that's so nice, so good. Here, as you can see, this is how the shoes look like on the outer side from the outside. They're so nice, to be honest with you. I like the color of it. It's pretty sturdy, pretty nice, pretty good quality. And let's take a look at the Jordan batch. And yeah, this is how it looks like here in the insides at Jordan. The back of the shoe looks like this. Jordan. And this bounces back. Great. The Jordan logo there. So yes, it's 8.5 US. You have your QR code in there and all the information. So there's nothing to worry. This is how the shoe insole looks like. You've got a wide range of colors. The gray one, the red one, this navy blue one, and also the white one with the red Jordan logo in the middle. And here is our transparent part with the ad, so that it supports you when you're landing and playing basketball. So beautiful. Same thing happens on the other pair. You have this beautiful finishing of our shoes with the bluish dots. Just have a glance on how it all looks like, and obviously you have the link down in the description. This is how the stars look like on our shoe insole. It's pretty much immaculate. Let's wear them, let's try on them. Let's try them on. Here they are on my feet. This is how they look like, as you can see. And yeah, let's wear them, let's take a look at them.
No, one cię strasznie skracają. Patrz. Tak,
Okay people, so I think that's enough as for today's video. If you have any questions regarding these shoes, let me know in the comment section. I will answer you for sure. Don't forget about links to the shoes. I have it there in the description and also the pinned comment section. Contact the seller and ask for the coupon code. Thanks all for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!